When you on a motorcycle, what matters more? Skill or judgment? Most riders will say skill. The better your technique, the safer you are. Wrong. And I'll tell you exactly why judgment is the one thing that actually keeps us alive on a bike. Skills get you on the road. Judgment keep you on it. Skills you can learn in a parking lot, a few weekends, maybe a month. Clutch, throttle, braking, your body figured out fast. Judgment doesn't work that way. In everyday life, when something difficult comes up, you can delay it. Let me think about it. Let's discuss it in the next meeting. Life gives you that option almost every time. On a motorcycle, that option doesn't exist. Every lane change, every braking decision, yours right now, a fraction of a second. No second options. No delays. The bike doesn't care how calm you think you are. Now here's the part most riders don't want to hear. More years on a bike does not mean better judgment. What actually happened is this. You get comfortable. You build routines. This road at this speed, that corner at that lane. And slowly, without noticing, you stop judging. You start pattern matching. It feels like experience. It feels like competence. It's habit, wearing the mask of judgment. The rider who actually sharpen their judgment over the years are the ones who keep questioning their own patterns, who notice when they were on autopilot, who use their years on the bike to build honest self-awareness, not just comfort. For everyone else, judgment quietly gets worth, even after decades on a bike. So, when you catch yourself getting more formulaic on the road, same lanes, same speeds, same decisions without thinking, pay attention to that. The technology on your bike won't fix this. The assist systems won't fix this. More horsepower won't fix this. This was never about the bike. It's always been about you.